You can shoot raw footage on any DSLR camera like this. Like the video, no? For instance, if you have Canon entry-level DSLR camera, you can shoot this type of log video in your DSLR camera. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you have to go to CineStyle website to download the program and the LUT pack. Else you can find the direct link in the description below. After downloading all the files, now connect your DSLR to a PC either wirelessly or wired. Then open your Canon utility window, then select remote shooting mode. After the capture window opens, click the camera icon, then click register user defined style under shooting menu. Once new page register picture style opens, select one of the user defined 1, 2 or 3 at the top of the new page. Click the open file icon. Select the cinestyle.pf2 file you have just downloaded. Click on OK and done. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel as well.